In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a stamp out of foam pad from the dollar store. I made a big stamp and then I made a little stamp. This is Fabric Paint Medium and this is black paint. I got both of them from the dollar store and I'm going to mix them 50-50 ratio. I tried this shirt on beforehand and decided I want it right above the heart. This is the hood, see? And this is the arm. And it was right here. So I'm going to take my piece of cardboard, stick it through the neck hole. You only want to get paint just on our stamp part, not on the rest. So it was the center here for me and just right here. So that's where I'm going to put it. And then push down. After I did a bunch of shirts for myself and my best friend, I then proceeded to make a curtain out of the larger stamp. And I think it looks really good. I could have gone a little slower and got it a little bit more precise, but I still think it looks really good. So I'll just finish off with letting you watch the curtain being made, and thanks for watching my video. I'll see you later, alligators. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks!